Woo, all right. Okay, what Christmas means to me. Let me take this one from the top. This is a little bit of choreo. I love this one. All right, give me some hips right here. First move, you're going a little knee for 4, and then we travel. All right, let's go. Step, knee, travel left. Push, do that again. Hit, knee, travel left. Everywhere you go, again. Woo. All right, this is your last one. We're gonna take it to the front. It goes, shake it. Now just take it back. Again. For me, my love, take it back. Now we're gonna take a circle. Just a little sassy walk. Oh yeah, look back at it. From the top, high knees. Hit, travel. Ooh, again. Ha, ha. Take it left. Again. Take it left. All right, take it forward. Take it back. You can add a little hop here. One more. All right, and I want you to hit 2 hits really hard right here. 2 hits. One more set. 4 kicks forward. 4, 3, 2, side. 2 hard hits. One more set. Here it is. 4 kicks. All right, so this is the around the world. Are you ready? Take it around the world. 4, 3, 2, side. To your back. 4, 3, Broadway out right here. Out. One more set. All right, we're going to take it from the chorus. Come towards me. Take it back. One more. You know what? That's so much fun. We're going to do it 2 more times right here. Take it up. Let it go. One more. Then we're going to take it from the very top. So high knees. Here we go. Travel left. All right, so the end of the song, we just repeat a lot. Getting that heart rate up. Again. Hit. How can you get high? How high can you get that knee? There we go. One more. And then we're going to finish it with the kicks. Here we go. Broadway side. Again. Broadway side. One more set. And it's never one more, guys. It's never one more. This should be the last one. Just know me right now. Here it is. Find any pose.